Hello guys, welcome to my very first video here in my YouTube channel. Ako po si Sam and welcome to Sam's Toys. So for today's unboxing, meron tayong laruan na barel from Redman Toys Airsoft Philippines. Thank you. So shout out kay Sir Red. And this is your Wii Glock 17 Gen 5 na kulay black. So yung Wii brand, pretty much galing yan sa Taiwan. So, currently, sabi sa mga nababasa ko, Wii is one of the trusted airsoft manufacturer pagdating sa Asia. I don't know if it's global, pero may mga nakikita din naman ako na taga-America or taga-North America or ibang bansa na gumagamit din ng Wii and they actually like it, yung yung brand na Wii. So, without further ado, let's see what comes in the box kapag bumili kayo ng Glock 17 Gen 5 ninyo. So, fresh out of the box, as a first time, guys, sorry first time akong nagkaroon ng airsoft ko. And coming from a teka-teka pistol or teka-teka na pellet gun user, I'm not really sure on what to expect when it comes to this specific unit. Based dun sa briefing na ginawa sa akin ni Sir Raymond ng Redman Toys, you actually need to treat your unit as a real gun. Kasi po pwede siyang makatama. And mas masakit siya. Take note. Para to dun sa mga newbies. So of course, we need to have our due diligence to keep your fingers off the trigger kung hindi pa ready, and then always point the barrel or yung dulo ng barrel sa walang tatamaan. Yun lang naman daw yun. Kailangan magkaroon tayo ng disiplina. So yeah, without further ado, sige, open na natin to. Let's see kung anong laman niya. Okay. So out of the box, you have your manual. So instruction manual for use of 17, 19, 27, 33, 34. I think this pertains to the generation. Or not generation, but the series. Kasi Glock 17, Glock 19, Glock 27, Glock 33, and then Glock 34. So you have your branding here. And guys, this is a gas blowback type. What do we mean by gas blowback? Meaning, hindi siya katulad ng teka-teka pistol or teka-teka na pellet gun na one cock, one shot. So you have your owner's manual. Yan. Hindi naman natin masyado binabasa. Pero, sabi nila, at times kailangan talagang basahin yung owner's manual. So, siguro, pag nakita na lang natin yung unit. Yan. So, out of the box, ang kasama niya is ito, which is yung sa grip. I think pang pakapal ng grip to. Yan. And then, ito, siguro replacement to dito. Para pumasok siya. And then you have your magazine. And of course, sabi natin to. Yan. The unit itself. Yung. Yung mga ano-ano pa. Holy cow. So this is your Glock 17 Gen 5. So yung lower niya, ito, is made out of plastic. Kasi ang sabi dito, ine-emulate daw yung totoong Glock, which is gawa talaga sa plastic, yung pinakahawakan niya. And then, I think this is steel. So let's try to cock the gun. Ooh, it's crunchy, guys. Sobrang crunchy nun. By the looks of it, it actually looks good. It's actually well built. Nice. It's actually a nice gun. So, ang sabi pa sa akin dito, at may tinatawag daw na ano na floating barrel to. Meaning, etong top, ini-emulate niya yung totoong Glock na gumagalaw siya kapag pumuputok. It's actually nice. So kung mapapansin nyo pala, sa Glock na to, wala siyang safety like all other guns. Siguro yung mga marunong na sa baril, normally meron siyang safety dito na to turn on at to turn off. For the Glock, wala siya. Slide release, ambidextrous, meaning you can use or pwede kang mag-slide release using your left hand, just like so, or using your right hand. However, ang sabi nila, para hindi magasgas masyado tong slide mo, kung naubusan ka na ng bala, kunyari ganyan, instead of using the slide release, ang nakaganyan, kasi mas magagasgas daw to eh. May catch dito. So, ang sabi sa akin, might as well, you just need to uncock it. Ikasa mo lang ulit, release, and then hammer down. All in all, sa first time kong nakita itong barrel na to, it's actually 10 out of 10 for me. Ang gandi. Yung build niya, yung quality, even yung weight. Maramdaman mo na yung may weight siya dito sa taas. Kasi nga ito, di ko alam kung anong plastic to. Pero, this is plastic. So, yung weight nandito. Pero kapag kunyari, sabihin natin na ilalagay natin yung magazine, nagdi-distribute yung weight niya. Kasi nga, this is a gas blowback pistol. Therefore, mabigat daw talaga yung magazine niya kasi nga meron pa yung meron yung chamber sa loob na dun kumakarga yung gas which is nilalagay dito. Yan. But guys, okay to. So shout out kay Sir Raymond ng Redman Toys, Airsoft Philippines. Thank you for hooking me up with this Glock 17 Gen 5. Now, let's see, sa next upload natin, let's try to break down yung barrel and let's see the internal. So, kita-kits sa susunod na video. I hope you guys like the unboxing. If you have any questions, just type in your comments. But please do like, share, and then subscribe sa ating bagong YouTube channel. And definitely, sasagot tayo dyan sa mga questions nyo. And hopefully, marami pa tayong ma-review na airsoft pistol. Thank you guys and sa susunod na upload ulit. Bye!